Yeah, hi Srisaran. Thanks for
Yeah,
joining this success meeting. So, first of all, congratulations for getting a job in Deloitte. Okay,
okay.
and you are a fresher, right? So you have got with offer with 2.85 LPA, right?
Yes, yes,
So
yes.
yeah, congratulations once again. And so just okay, just tell me your first. Just let us know about your background. Okay, so where you
Okay.
are from and what you have, what is your college and what you have studied, and after that, how you came about these Tungabhadra networks and how Tungabhadra networks help you to success this. Okay, and how good you have received a support from our technical team, and you can just if you want, you can just leave a feedback for our support team so that will helps to improve the okay services to the students in a great manner. Okay, so yeah, the session is yours now, so you can just go ahead and
Yeah,
uh, you can just briefly explain
y- yeah,
what you have done here.
yeah. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir, for giving me the opportunity on
Yeah.
this platform.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Myself, Sri Charan Sirigade.
Mm-hmm.
I am from Hyderabad. I'm born and
Okay.
brought up in here only.
Okay, good.
So I have graduated in year 2024.
Mm-hmm. 2024.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. In my background is electronics.
Electronics, yeah.
So, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Basically, I'm a average student.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And I'm very fear about coding, and
Okay.
doesn't like in involving the developing and that side.
Yeah.
So basically, by seeing others and
Mm-hmm.
my family members,
Mm-hmm.
um, I love in this networking and like that.
Okay, your
So,
family members are also network engineers.
yeah, one of my brother is a network engineer. He's into
Okay,
it.
that's great.
So I inspired from him.
Okay.
And also during my BTech in 3 to I guess
Okay.
3 2
Mm-hmm.
we had a subject called DCCN, like
Okay.
digital communication computer
Yeah.
networks.
Yeah. Yeah.
So it inspired me a lot.
Okay.
It At that time, I have very it took me very interesting in that subject.
Mm-hmm.
So after my graduation, I have keep searching on the courses, like
Okay.
is there any courses in this field. So in the month of November, I think,
Mm-hmm.
I found a video of Tungabhadra, which is that time it was RTL, Ramesh Tech Library.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Yes, in
It was
2025.
rebranded to Tungabhadra Networks.
Yeah. So I found it interesting and found very
Mm-hmm.
genuine that
Okay.
Ramesh Anna teaching level, and so
Mm-hmm.
I inquired and take the course
Okay.
CCNet. And after that, in the December second batch, I have been into course.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
So due to uncertain reasons,
Mm-hmm.
I want to plan to abroad studies.
Okay.
So the course was paused there,
Okay.
and that the studies has been paused.
Mm-hmm.
So I have deferred the course.
Okay.
So again in the June, this last month, I have restarted it again.
Okay. So
So
means in the
in
December you went abroad?
no, I
Oh,
didn't went abroad. The
okay.
visa has been rejected.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, so that I have not gone.
Mm-hmm.
After again, I have started in my June,
Okay.
in June
So
2026.
you have joined again, or you have continued studying your on your own?
I've seen the recorded sessions, and
Okay.
the trainers helped me.
Mm-hmm.
The team helped me,
Okay.
so that I do daily updating my profile in my LinkedIn.
Okay, that's great.
So yeah, so one day, I think on June 13th, I
Mm-hmm.
got a call from HR,
Okay.
Initial,
Okay.
that
Okay.
your profile is good and we want to take it further.
Mm-hmm.
So I thought it was a spam,
Okay.
but I don't know. After on Monday, she sent the link,
Okay.
the assessment link. So I
Mm-hmm.
believe so it's true.
Mm-hmm.
and I proceeded with the assessment.
Okay.
After in the 1 week, I got the interview call.
Mm-hmm.
This was a technical and techno managerial round.
Okay.
Yeah, so it was about 20-25 minutes,
Mm-hmm.
around 20-25 minutes.
Okay. Okay.
So in the call, he was asking. Firstly, he's telling about the job description and
Okay.
how what are the shift timings and
Mm-hmm.
everything.
Mm-hmm.
So he's asking about is it okay with you or not?
Okay.
Okay, and he dived into the technical
Technical.
questions. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
he started from the basics,
Okay.
TCP, and what
Okay.
is the difference between TCP and OSI.
Okay.
Explain the each layer,
Layer. Wait.
yeah, 7 layers,
Okay.
and he was asking about OSPF
Okay.
and how many types of OSPF
Mm.
and the LSA types
Mm.
uh, and what is the type 5 LSA does.
Okay.
So I explained him clearly. So he was impressed at it.
Okay.
So after that, he asked some uh, layer 1, layer 2 protocols.
Okay.
In layer 2 protocol, what are the protocols?
Mm.
HTTP, like that.
Mm.
And how what are the as this job description says that it's monitoring.
Mm.
So he asked her that are you aware with the monitoring tools?
Okay.
Yeah, I told that Zabbix.
We are explaining about
Yeah,
Jabix
yeah,
monitoring tool, right?
I
So
told him.
maybe that was helped you
Yeah,
to
yeah, yeah, yeah. Yes,
mention
yes.
there if you know the monitoring tool
Mm,
or not.
yes, yes, yes.
Yeah.
I told about Zabbix and
Yeah.
SNMP, and he was asking about SNMP,
Okay.
which layer protocol, which layer it is.
Mm.
I told about it,
Yeah.
and he was fine with my answers at
Okay.
that time.
Okay.
So that was after that. After 1 week, I got a
Mm.
HR call
Okay.
and discussed the package and shifts and everything.
Okay.
In 3 days, in the last Tuesday, I got the offer letter. Uh,
Okay. That's great.
yeah, yeah, that's about me.
Yeah. So you have joined in December and you have a gap of 6 months, right? So
Yeah, yeah.
so how you feel that gap? Okay. So joining the codes in December and again restarting the codes, learning the codes through the recording video. How you feel that?
Yeah, actually, after my USA visa process, I have joined in one startup company,
Okay.
which is another domain, not
Okay. Okay.
related to networking. I have
Mm-hmm.
done their internship about 3 months.
Mm-hmm.
So I felt very, I think, like it's not for me.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a developing side.
Okay.
Yeah, I think that it's not suitable for me.
Mm-hmm.
So again, as my passion lies in networking,
Networking. Yeah.
yeah, I came back to the and watched all the videos,
Mm-hmm.
not twice, thrice. Each one video I watched more than 6, 7 times
Oh,
and noted all the
each and every.
each and every topic. Yeah,
Yeah. Okay.
yeah, that's how. Yeah.
So during your preparation time, okay,
Mm.
so how well our support team helped you to resolve your issues? Either it is an technical or lab issues. So how
Yeah, yeah.
well our team explained or how well our team supported you?
Yeah, it's very well and good with the TBN team.
Mm-hmm.
I used to go every day to the institute in
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Hyderabad.
Okay.
Yeah, there I assisted to the Jyotika.
Jyoti.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
She is my mentor,
Okay.
and I have gave 1 to 3 mock interviews for her, and
Mm-hmm.
she was explaining that how to present in the how to
Okay.
impress the interviewer and how the way of answering the by
Mm-hmm.
different topics.
Okay.
Yeah, she was very
Mm-hmm.
helping for me, and all of the team are very helpful.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm very happy with the team.
Yeah, that's
Yeah,
great. That's great.
yeah,
So, do you want to provide any feedback for our support
yeah.
team, or do you have any concerns or
Uh, uh,
anything issues with our team? during
no,
during your
no,
course preparation?
there are, I think there are no concerns about the
Okay,
team.
okay.
Uh, but I gave the many messages are coming from in LinkedIn and WhatsApp. They
Hmm.
are inquiring about course and what how it will be, how it will be.
Okay.
I'm for everybody I'm saying one thing.
Yeah,
It's a good. It is
yeah,
it's very good and excellent.
yeah,
It it depends upon you how will you perform.
yeah.
It yeah it contains they
Hmm.
should it's not about 1 day motivation and 2 days
Okay.
motivation.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that's good.
they should consistently work for
Hmm.
days or months.
Hmm.
Not comparing others. They are got in that CTC that
Okay.
so they should not compare and go with themselves.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
That's
yeah,
that's great
yeah,
to hear, Sri Charan.
yeah, yeah,
So anything that you want to give suggestions to new freshers or new candidates that are going to join here?
yeah,
Anything that you want to give
yeah,
any suggestions?
yeah. As I mentioned earlier, uh, be consistent.
Yeah.
No motivation will be working.
Hmm.
Only consistency and dedication will be
Yeah.
taking up to this.
Yeah,
And yeah,
we do have some
yeah,
type of motivation, but
yeah, yeah,
every time that will not work.
yeah,
Your
yeah, yeah,
dedication and
yeah,
your hard work will
uh,
pays off.
yeah, yeah,
So
yeah.
that's where you are here, and you have got
Mm.
a job as a fresher in Deloitte.
Yes, yes,
So
yes.
once again,
Yeah,
congratulations, Charan.
yeah, yeah,
So thanks for your wonderful words, and thanks for your time as well.
yeah,
So have a great day and have a great future ahead. Okay.
yeah.
So
Thank
all
you
the
so
best.
much.